Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at this particular song. Okay, I'm going to break it down in the key of F, but the song was done in the key of G. Okay, so without much ado, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 1. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to get it. Okay, so let's dive into this particular song. Okay, so this song has two parts, verse and the chorus. Okay, so I'm gonna break it down initially. So without much ado, let's dive in. First chord to be like this. Okay, so I have the D, A, D, right hand is doing the A, D, F. Then I have the C, J, C, right hand is doing the J, C, E. Then I have the F, C, F, right hand is doing the A, C, and F. Okay, so let's go. Okay, then we move to this part. Okay, I have the B flat, I have the F, I have the B flat, I have the C, the D, and the F. Okay, then so we already know this chord, so let's go one more time. You know, it will sound like this. When I'm singing it into context, to see like the mighty rushing rain, I want to dwell under the shadow of your wings. I want to see like the mighty rushing wind. I want to dwell under the shadow of your wings. Okay, then we are entering the chorus. Okay, so the chorus, the first chord. Okay, blow, blow, blow like a mighty wind, spirit of victory, cover us with your wind. Blow, 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 blow like a mighty wind, spirit of victory, cover us with your wind. Oh, blow, blow, blow like a mighty wind, spirit of victory, cover us with your wind. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing the 4. Okay, the 4, I have the B, I have the F, right, and I have the B, C, D, and F. Then okay, I have the D, A, D, right hand is doing the A, D, and F. Okay, I have the E and E on the left, right hand is doing the J, C, E. Okay, we already know this chord, the F, C, F, right hand is doing the A, C, F. Then okay, the C and C, or you can do the C, J, C, right hand is doing the J, C, E. Okay, so blow, blow, blow like a mighty wind, spirit of victory, cover us with your wind. Okay, so that's basically the progression that they use for this particular song. Okay, the verse and the chorus, the progression runs through this particular song. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.